Hey yo, welcome to another Wellness Wednesday. My name is Jayana, your favorite personal trainer and sports nutrition specialist. Literally, try to say that 3 times. I dare you. That is a mouthful. Anyways, today on Wellness Wednesday, we are talking about how to pick the best gym for you. This topic is so important because it literally sets the tone for your fitness journey. Saying you're going to start working out is easier said than done. Not only do you have to figure out what workouts you're going to do, but you also have to figure out what gym is going to support your goals and your needs. There are literally hundreds of gyms, studios, and boot camps, so picking one that's best for you can be difficult. In this video, don't worry, I got you. I am going to be sharing 4 considerations that you should consider before picking the best gym for you. For the best tips on how to eat clean, exercise, and implement healthy habits, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every single Wednesday. Tip number 1, stay local. Listen, finding a gym that is close to your home base or work base is so important. You do not want to be in a situation where you are feeling lazy and unmotivated, or you get off work super late and now you have to drive 20 to 30 minutes out of your way to work out. Girl, nobody got time for that. A gym that is local to you has its advantages such as easy to get to, avoiding traffic, convenience, and a little time investment. When you are close to your gym, the time investment is working out. That's it. You're not driving 20 to 30 minutes to get to the gym and then 20 to 30 minutes to get home. Most of your time investment is to working out, which is how it should be. Numero 2, equipment. And I'm not talking about poops. He's my favorite, he's my best friend, so he's gonna join us for the rest of this conversation. Okay, let's keep going. Having the right gym means having the right equipment to meet your health and fitness goals. If, for an example, you are training for a triathlon, this is an event that has running, biking, and swimming, you're gonna need a gym with a pool. You're just gonna. Another example is if you're really into jiu-jitsu, my boyfriend, you should probably have a gym with jiu-jitsu, or this gym is not going to meet your health and fitness needs. Some people who are super disciplined and like to work out alone typically like to work out at gyms that have a variety of workout equipment. This allows them to work out their full body using different types of equipment like barbells, kettlebells, dumbbells. If this is you, that's awesome. Find a gym with lots of workout equipment so you can do a variety of exercises while going to one place. A one-stop fits all. A gym that supplies it all. I have to come up with a tagline for this perfect gym. But if you're like, nope, not for me, I need accountability, I need someone to push me, I need to be in a workout class where I'm not the only one who's miserable, then that's okay too. I know some people, I have a client who's like this, who needs her workout classes in order to have that extra push, or else you'll find yourself on the treadmill just walking and texting and calling that a workout. And that's okay if that's you. You need to just identify your workout style and find a gym that will meet that. Equipment is importante. Hey yo, so we are gonna take a break before jumping into tips number 3 and 4, and just drop a comment below saying which gym you go to, if you like your gym, or if you're looking to switch gyms. I actually just quit my gym membership because I'm in running season, which means I do more running than working out, like weightlifting. And so my gym still has, like, I think I have till like the 18th, and then it like cuts off. But I'm okay with that because I really didn't like the gym anyways. Not to hate on the gym, which is Planet Fitness. I honestly just want to go to more of a studio-based gym where it's more small and not franchise. I think that would make me happy for where I am in my life and just the kind of people I would meet. So yeah, drop in a comment below which gym you go to, if you like your gym, and if not, if you're looking for a gym, and if so, which tip helped you the most. Boom. Tip number 3, friend/accountability. Have you ever heard of the quote, friends that get fit together stay together? If not, that's okay. I totally made it up, but I am coining that quote because I think it's really good. Okay, but seriously, what I'm trying to say is when you work out at a gym where your friends go, it has its advantages. For example, social opportunities, increased accountability, and convenience. I mean, hello, carpool. Okay, but let's like legit break this down a little bit. So, social opportunities. For me, I've been out of school for 2 years, almost 2 years now, and it is so hard going to the gym consistently, maintaining hobbies, maintaining a social life, paying my bills on time, and having a successful relationship. It's hard, and sometimes you just need your girlfriends, and sometimes you just need to be social. Well, instead of catching up with your friends at the bar or over dinner, eating food that's probably not in line with your health goals, you can meet your friend at the gym, and in between sets, you guys can be having girl talk. Boom. Okay, now let's break down increased accountability. Here's the thing. Sometimes we don't always keep promises to ourselves. For example, I told myself this morning I was going to wake up at 6 a.m. and go on a 4-mile run. It is 7:15 p.m. and raining, and I still have not ran my 4 miles. I promise I will go to the gym after recording this video, but still, it's like so easy to break promises to ourselves. So increased accountability definitely looks like having your friend and yourself meet up at the same time and get a workout, even if it's not the same workout. But now you're more accountable to go to the gym because you told someone else you would, versus yourself, which is easier to break promises to because, like, are you really gonna get mad at yourself? Like, really? Probably not. And to break down convenience a little bit, again, like I said, it's a great social opportunity. You can carpool, you know, save the environment, less gas. Woohoo! And then also, like, some gyms do like competitions, so this is a good way to have friendly competition and, you know, have someone you know doing this competition with you. Let's say it's like a weight loss challenge or who can go to the gym most consistently, whatever. This not only gives you motivation to go to the gym more consistently, but you're also able to have friendly competition, which if you do it right can be fun. If you do it wrong, you might not, you might lose a friend. All right. Tip / consideration / thing you should think of before picking a gym: the price. Paying for a gym membership is not a one-size-fits-all. Some people pay $100+ a month for their gyms. Some people are limited to $20. No matter what your price point is, find a gym that has a membership that fits in your budget. You can always change your gym membership, just like I'm about to do, when your budget for your health and fitness increases. There is no problem starting small because of the price. If anything, this allows you to actually become committed to working out consistently before you're paying $100 a month for a gym you're not going to. Honestly, I look at it as earn that ish, because I can't really curse on here. I think it's unprofessional, but like earn it. So like go work out consistently and then be like, okay, I earned this, I'm gonna upgrade, or now my budget is, you know, bigger for my health and fitness, and so you upgrade. But seriously, price is so important, but it should not stop you from going on this fitness journey. Find a gym that works for you. There are some that is low as $10 and then some that go way too high. So find where you are and pick the gym that works. Yay! You now know my 4 tips on how to pick the best gym for you. Seriously, picking the right gym is so important, as it sets the tone for your workout journey, because you spend so much time trying to get fit at your gym, and so it's really important that you like it. Okay, so take into consideration the 4 tips that I've given you when deciding on your gym. On another note, if you would like to join a community of women just like you, then I have a Facebook community called The Holistic Realistic, where I share up-to-date healthy eating and fitness motivation so you can stay aligned to your health and fitness goals throughout the work week. The link is in the description. Join us. We have a party over there every single week. And if you like this video, please share it with your favorite girlfriend. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye!